everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just thought I would give you a quick little update on what I'm packing for the kids to wear on their Halloween cruise coming up. The cruise is next weekend, so I am trying frantically to get things packed. I can be a little bit of an overpacker, but I just like for things to be in good condition. I want our clothes to be clean. I want to have changes of clothes, and I just want to enjoy this cruise and not worry about, oh, we didn't pack enough stuff and those type of things. But okay, so let's get going. First thing I did was I packed for my daughter Kendall. She is 2 and a half. We love Disney here. She loves Minnie Mouse. They both love Halloween. So let me kind of just give you a overview of what I packed up for Kendall to take with us, or plan to pack. I have some of the things laid out. Not all of this may go, but at least I kind of have an idea of where we're headed. So the first things, I guess we'll start with her little Halloween items here that she has, I've gotten her to take with us. Last year we got this shirt for her and her brother, matching shirts, Mickey Mouse, and some sparkle leggings that I picked up. This was from the Disney store from last year, and it glows in the dark, so it's really super cute. I got it big last year, and it was kind of big on her, just so that way she could fit into it for 2 years. And then have this little Squad Goals Hocus Pocus sweatshirt. I got this off of Sparkle and Pink. It's a little girl's boutique, and it is just so cute. These leggings I got to go with it are from Target, one of my favorite stores. And then this is just a little Minnie Mouse Disneyland Parks sweatshirt that I got at the Disney outlet store here in Las Vegas before we went a couple of times ago. It's just so cute. It has the red and white dots and little Minnie Mouse ears on top, which I think is just so cute. She loves it. It's got Disneyland and California Adventure in the background. So we've had multiple uses out of this one. She absolutely loves this little sweatshirt. And then this year at the Disney store, they had these shirts, and I just thought they were so cute. They looked like they were just like little melting apples or something. I'm not sure. It looks like a caramel apple that's kind of dripping. Maybe it's a pumpkin. I'm not sure. Really cute though. We all have matching shirts to go with that. Just some jean shorts, basic jean shorts. Not sure if I'm going to pack these jeans, just regular jeans. I may, just in case it's cool inside the cruise ship. I don't expect it to be very cold when we go. We are cruising out of San Diego down to Cabo, San Lucas, and then to Ensenada. It's a 5-day Disney Halloween cruise. We are super excited. I picked this up for her at Old Navy just to have, you never know, like in the mornings if it's cold, or evenings, and you just want to put this on over whatever you're wearing, so that way it's a little bit big on her still, so she has room to grow into it for the winter time, which is nice. Winter time is not very wintry here in Las Vegas, but that'll work good for us here there. I got her these Halloween little jammies at the Disney store. I thought they were so cute. It was like almost like little throwback classic cartoon Minnie Mouse jammies. So cute. It just has little bats on it. This was from this year at the Disney store, regular Disney store, not the outlet. Here in Vegas we have a couple of different Disney stores. We are spoiled. We have outlets. We have 2 outlets and I think 2 regular Disney stores. One of them's in the Fashion Show Mall for any of those who have ever been, and it's actually really neat because that Disney store has, like, on the top around the edging or border of the store, it's like Vegas themed, and some of the things that are here near and dear to our heart, us Veganites. It's just special scenes from around Vegas, so it's really cool. It's a themed, I don't know if other people have that in their cities, if they have themed Disney stores that kind of go along with their town's landscape, or certain areas that are really, really cool to, or neat, or specific to their town. But they do here, and I think that's really cool. That's the first one I've ever seen. So let me know in the comments below if your Disney store has that, or if you have a Disney store. Couple little swimsuits. These are from this year. We do a lot of pool time here in Vegas. Summers are long, they are hot, and they are brutal. So we have gotten go through a couple pairs of swimsuits a year. I feel like we were really hard on swimsuits here. We have a couple water parks we tend to visit, and they just get worn out so fast. So these two are from Target, kind of towards the end of the year swimsuits for her. One's 3T, one's 4T. She's 2.5, but she's kind of tall, and they both seem to fit her pretty well. She is potty trained for the most part, occasional accidents, but for the most part she is potty trained. So I plan to take a few swim diapers just in case. I mean, you never know, but just so that way we have them. Little swim shirts, like a zip up long sleeve swim shirt that I'm taking with us, and her little pool cover up. I am not 100% I'm going to take that or not. I don't know how much she's going to need that. You know, little kids going through there. Just some extra Minnie Mouse pajamas to take with us. These little tropical little outfits I think were just so cute. I think these came through either Oshkosh or Carter's. Were from the summer from this year. Just a few little outfits that I'm taking that are just extra to have. Tropical wear. This will be our first family vacation that's not at Disneyland or going back to home to see family, so I wanted to have her a few little outfits that were kind of tropical. Here's a little, it's a dress, but it's more just like a long t-shirt tunic type thing on her now, and got just some biker shorts to go underneath that, just to have this little Minnie Mouse outfit, and just a little tank top and some little shorts to go with it to have. This is her favorite shirt right now and her favorite outfit, so we'll probably bring that. She is in love with unicorns. She just is so loves unicorns, mermaids, and Minnie Mouse and Princess. That's her jam. This little dress was a hand-me-down from a good friend of ours, and it's just so cute, and I thought it kind of looked, I don't know, just cruise ready. But if we wanted to dress up a little bit for dinner, I'm not really sure how that's going to work. It's our first time going, so I'm not sure what we're supposed to be wearing for dinner. I always put a little pair of biker shorts underneath her dresses just because she's a little girl and, you know, still little, so she's not 100% ladylike at this point. Another little dress we have for her, and some shorts again. I did bring a little cardigan to take in with the dinners. The dinners are kind of nice from the vlogs that I've watched, and I just kind of wanted us to be able to dress up if we could. My sister got her this little outfit off one of the online boutiques. I think it was called Glitter Boutique, or I'm not really sure, but it is just so cute. Has like the little Jack Skellington on it, a ghost, a Mickey pumpkin, a spider, Minnie Mouse, and then a Mickey Mouse with a Halloween castle in it. I just think this is just the cutest, and it goes under to these little capri type leggings, and they have little ruffles on the bottom. Dressing little girls is just the funnest thing to do. I did also, not 100% we're going to bring this. This was her brother's old t-shirt. She just kind of gets some of his Disney hand-me-downs. It was a Woody t-shirt, and I had this bow made for her last year. I believe it was off of Etsy. It's Jessie. I don't know if you can see that. It has like a little Jessie thing. She loves to wear this bow. Bringing some other bows with us, just some basic colors, some Halloween bows to go in her hair. We were at Downtown Disney a couple of weeks ago for my husband's birthday weekend down in Anaheim, and I picked her up some of these Minnie Mouse ears, and they are so cute. They're little candy corns. I think they are just darling. Her and I have matching bows, Minnie Mouse bows, and it says, "I'm just here." I don't know if you could see that. "I'm just here for the candy." Her Minnie Mouse hat, her Minnie Mouse ears with her name on the back of them. And then her little trick-or-treat bucket that she got last year. Last year we went to Disneyland for Halloween, and I picked those up for the kids before we went. Disney Store Outlet had them on sale. They're like $10 each, and we went to Mickey's Halloween party, so I picked those up for both kids so that way they could have them. I am bringing a few pull-ups just in case if she has major accidents or a setback, or I don't know, any of those things. I just want to have a few on hand just to make sure. I don't think we'll need them. I hope we don't need them, but you never know with little kids. The weather forecast for Cabo calls for rain on the day that we're there, so I hadn't planned on bringing their rain ponchos, but I think I will go ahead and do that just so that way we have it just in case. I don't want to have to buy a $10 rain poncho on the boat. I don't even know if they have them, but regardless, I don't want to be buying a whole bunch of those. Shoes, I'm taking her little Oshkosh sandal shoes, and a couple pairs of sandals. She doesn't really like these, so I don't know that I will be bringing those. But these are her favorite little sandals, just from Oshkosh. They both have a pair of Crocs that I'm planning on bringing with us as well, and a pair of tennis shoes, just so that way they can run and jump and play and no issues there. Underwear, socks, you know, basic things. And then last but not least, I'm bringing their Halloween costumes. They picked out their Halloween costumes from this year. And this is hers. We got it at the Disney store this year. Has a little tiara that comes with it. She really wanted to be Princess Belle. So that's what she's going to be wearing on the Disney cruise. We had to go a size up just because it ran so small in the chest, and I just didn't want it to be too tight by the time it came to Halloween. That's a whole, you know, another month away. So I ended up just kind of, I am no seamstress. I do not have a lot of artsy talent or anything, so I just kind of ended up with some safety pins to keep it from dragging on the ground, and it fits great. So she is excited to wear that. She's got this little one that goes with it. We haven't taken the packaging off of it yet, just so that way it doesn't get destroyed before we even get to use it. And that kind of wraps up what I'm taking for her. I plan to do a couple more series of videos before we leave over this weekend to kind of have for future reference of what I'm taking for them to pack, and then also to help others out, just so that way, you know, if you are needing advice on what to pack, and then when we get back from our cruise, I kind of want to go through and tell you what we did use, what we didn't use, what we could have used, and then I'm going to show you what I packed for my son, kind of just like our other cruise accessories, and I'll do a pack with me video for what I'm bringing on the cruise as well. Hope you like this video, and feel free to subscribe. Have a great day.